It looked ordinary, almost serene in the morning light. Yet, as she walked away, she couldn't shake the feeling that the shadows of that rainy night were still lurking, waiting in the dark, ready to reach out once more. In the days that followed, Jane's colleagues noticed a change in her. She was quieter, more reserved. She never spoke of that night again. But on stormy nights, when the rain pattered against the windows and the power flickered, she couldn't help but shiver, wondering if she would ever be alone again.